A Mexican Navy training ship tragically collided with the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. Witnesses were shocked as the ship struck the historic bridge. Its three towering masts snapped on impact. There were 277 people aboard, including crew and trainees. Videos showed crew members clinging to the disrupted masts and waiting for help. The collision caused significant chaos. Those injured were rushed to hospitals, with some in critical condition. New York City Mayor Eric Adams confirmed that the 142-year-old bridge suffered no major damage. This incident unfolded around 8:30 p.m. when Cuauhtémoc, on a goodwill tour, headed toward the Brooklyn Bridge instead of sailing out to sea. Bystanders filmed the moment of impact, showing debris falling onto the ship. Fortunately, all personnel were accounted for after the crash. Investigations revealed that the ship likely faced a mechanical issue. The captain reported losing power, leading to the unfortunate collision. At its tallest, the ship's masts reached 158 feet, while the bridge has a clearance of 135 feet. Among the casualties, 2 sailors lost their lives. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum expressed condolences to their families. This year, the Cuauhtémoc set sail to complete cadets training. It aimed to visit numerous countries over 200 days, but faced an early end in New York City. As investigations continue, the entire maritime community mourns the loss of those involved in this tragic incident. Stay informed as we follow further updates on this story.